I'm gonna be making what's it called, guys? Life as a slime scammer. But yeah, it's not gonna be good because like I don't know what to say in this script. So yeah, so let's just get started. All right, so I just got done with the order and I wrote it down what she wanted. She said she wanted cotton candy slime, blue ocean slime, fluffy blue slime. I got the slime she wanted. I do have a cotton candy slime that's scented. But I'm just gonna give her this putty. The putty. And it still smells like cotton candy. So. And the blue ocean slime is gonna be this. I do have that ocean slime, but like. It's like kind of hard to stretch and stuff. So, yeah. And it's like bought slime, so like, yeah. And then I do have that fluffy slime, but like, this is fluffy. It's supposed to be fluffy slime, but like, really bad slime. It's a mess up. Super stretchy, as you see. And as an extra, I'll give her, let's see, what should I give her extra? I'll give her this small galaxy paper slime. You don't know what a paper slime is? It's a paper and you try to make it satisfying on the carpet. So this could be extra. So yeah. I'm just gonna put this in the bag. And yeah. Oh yeah, hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I got a package. So let's see. He said there was an extra, and this is what I ordered. Cotton candy slime, blue ocean slime, fluffy blue slime. Yeah. So let's start with, I think this is an extra. It's a paper slime. So, thank you. I don't think this is right. I think this might be another extra, but thank you. Because I think, oh, it's really, well, it's okay, I guess. It's kind of hard, like, wait, this doesn't look like this doesn't look like the ocean slime. But if it's supposed to be the ocean slime, I think I got scammed. But we'll see. Maybe it's all extras. Okay, I'm really excited with them. Fluffy blue slime. Let's check it out. Ew. Guys, it's probably an extra. I mean, it's really bad. I don't know why she would give this as an extra. Maybe because she wants me to reactivate it and it'll be amazing. Or maybe this is like, this doesn't even look like slime. It's mold. Ew. It's like, look at that, guys. Ew. It's like, it's kind of nice right here. It has a good texture right there. But like, it's disgusting and hard. Ew. It's really hard bit right there. It's really disgusting. Breaks off really hardly and easily. Look, that's how it rips. And this is my intersection. Look. How is that satisfying? Alright, this is one of my favorites. Can you even mush it back together? At least you can mush it back together, guys. You can mush it back together. Alright, the last time I ordered is a cotton candy slime that smells like cotton candy. It came in this little putty thing, but it's probably slime inside. Doesn't really feel like cotton candy. Like it doesn't look like the cotton candy slime, but maybe it smells like it. I need to wash my hands. Again with this slime. Alright, so I just washed my hands. Okay, yeah, it smells like cotton candy. At least this is probably the most decent slime we have of all of them. And none of these are even slimes except this one and this one. And this one is a paper slime, so it is real. It's good paper slime. They used good paper. At least they gave us cases. I'm probably going to throw this one out because it looks just disgusting. Or I may use it for guts. I don't like. What do you do with this? Like, it's disgusting. Look at it. Like how gross. Tell me this is not satisfying. Don't tell me this isn't satisfying, because it's not even satisfying. I'm gonna email eBay and tell them this package was not good from the seller. And I'm gonna tell them that two things were good, and one of them was the extra and the putty, and I opened it and I needed a slime, not putty. So I'm just gonna go. Alright, so let me just type their number in. Alright. Yeah. So yeah, I ordered this package on eBay. And I got a slime package, like I always do. And you know there's a new thing called paper slime and putty. Yeah. Alright, yeah. So I bought them. And I bought slime and the paper slime. But I didn't buy putty. And the paper slime was the extra. Alright, so I got this one package. It was just supposed to be fluffy, but it was hard slime. I was supposed to get ocean slime, but I got bought slime, and it's really not stretchy. And I got putty. That was probably the best thing because it smelled like cotton candy, but it was putty, not slime, and it didn't look anything like slime. But like, yeah. And then I got the paper slime. The paper slime was probably the best out of all of it. So like, I want you to like, maybe like, do something about the seller. Oh, it was kawaii slimes. Yes. Thank you for my money back. It was actually $20. You're getting $25? Thanks. Oh, because that's the tax. Yes, I'm sure I bought those slimes. It says on the paper she wrote, cotton candy slime, I bought that. Blue ocean slime, I bought that. Fluffy blue slime. She gave me an extra as paper slime. I don't even know anymore. So, thank you. Her name is Kawaii Slimes _9. Yes, that's her. You ordered. That looks like good slime. How did she rip you off? Show me some pictures. So that's my room. Can I find the ocean glitter? Ocean slime? Yeah, that looks amazing. This is what I got. Ew. And then I ordered that blue fluffy slime, and this is what I got. Ew, that's disgusting. And then you see that cotton candy scented slime? This is what I got. And then you don't see any paper slime, do you? Nope. Well, I got this as the extra paper slime. I think this was supposed to be a pay up as this, and not really this, but probably just this. But it's paper. Oh, wait, I got another package from her. Yeah, I got another package. You know the kiwi slime? I also bought this. Guys, I also bought this. And yeah. And it looks like this, the kiwi slime. It's good slime. It's not bad slime. Ooh, it smells so bad. It's really good slime though. But like, I didn't order this slime. I don't know if this was supposed to go to someone else, but it came with the paper that I ordered, so I think it's supposed to be mine. But yeah. I like the green slime from her. It's kind of good, and she did say in the thing that was fake, but the rest of the thing said it was real. So she was lying, and that's not good to lie. And I don't know if you can do it. Did he already hang up? Oh, you're still there? Yep. Oh, you're still there. But yeah, the kiwi slime is really good, but the rest of them is disgusting. So, yeah. Alright. Then, guys, make sure you never get scammed. I never bought slime. This is all, like, stuff I bought or made. And, guys, I actually did make this disgusting slime. And it wasn't even good fluffy slime. So, like, yeah, I should never try to make that again with that kind of clay. Or I used some of this slime and put it in together. I don't know why. But, like, I washed my hands after I put slime. So that's why there was awkward silence. But yeah, look how good this slime is. I actually made it out of a kit, but look how good. Actually, I didn't buy any of this. It's fake. And I act both people, if you didn't know. So, yeah. Look how good this slime is. I got glitter all over my pot. Yeah, the glitter comes off really easily. So I'm trying to get all the loose glitter out because it washes off really easily. But it's just, the texture is really, really good. Look how good that texture is. And I decorated it with the little made by that, and then on the top it says 100 original. And it's like slime DIY. And then the inside where you would put stuff in, it just looks so nice, and it's just so nice. Now the slime was actually supposed to go up to where this, right here, but like on top of it was like water. So yeah. Bye guys.